Focused on a brilliant light. You're folding up your arms, counting on high in that head. You're stuttering. You're focused on a brilliant light. You're holding on your arms, getting all the warmth to jets. You're high in that head. You're stuttering. You're focused on a brilliant light. You're holding on your arms, letting go of stars. You say, hey. That's the right thing to go. I met your queen. She's stuttering. She's screaming about the things she's lost and everything she's known and everything she is. Oh, never have left us strung out. She never left us. She never left us strung out. So stay calm. It's a medical procedure. Stay calm. It's not something we messed up to. I met that queen. She's stuttering. She's focused on a brilliant light of everything she is, of everything she's known. She won't need us. Stay, oh, will you stay calm? Oh, you know you will let us back home. So you wait me to and please oh brightness, oh you will call my name. We will leave you right there. So you're high in that head. You're stuck in the walls, you won't let go. You're painting all the roads, you're lost there untold. It's not something we